Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp. You may have new messages. To know how to fix WhatsApp, you may have new messages. You should just go to settings like this and you will click. After that in this page you will go to apps and you will enter. Then in this list you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp. And when you will see this page you will click force stop. Then when you will end this you will enter to storage. After that in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.